My name is Idoe Okon. I'm a program associate with GirlLEAD Talent Accelerator and currently coordinating the Women in IT Bootcamp Uyo. So today we are out on a community development project, and just like my placard says, the aim of this project or this outing is to bridge the gender digital gap. Okay, so we are out here with the girls to sensitize students of Federal Technical and Science College Uyo on the need to get involved in this tech space and training, because the digital time is already here. So I just want to say thank you to Women in IT Bootcamp students for putting this up and making it worth it. Thank you, GirlLEAD Projects. Thank you for bringing this to Uyo. We're very happy that this has come to Uyo, and we hope that at the end of the bootcamp, the girls will be able to get everything that they need to have a better future with tech. Thank you.
Hello, I am Caroline Takwan and I'm Udo Diana Basi. My name is Tifonisa Chigo.
Hi, I'm Vitrigo with Amos.
I am a beneficiary of the IT Bootcamp sponsored by the GirlLEAD Uyo.
I'm a beneficiary of the Women in IT Bootcamp supported by GirlLEAD.
Thank you very much for this great opportunity. Thank you, GirlLEAD Project.
Good morning, girls. I came with some of my friends, some people from GirlLEAD. They sensitize girls on need for tech, why you should be involved in tech. They will explain to us why we should be in tech, the things we need to do, why we should be involved as girls.
My name is Faith Udo, and I'm also one of the old girls of Federal Science and Technical College. I want to talk to you about the careers in ICT. Who wants to buy this hat from you? It's your own, right? And you have a phone, perhaps, and she too, she has a phone. So the only way that she can buy this hat from you is when you post it online. Because of that, because you are a digital marketer, when you now post it online, she can see it, and then you can sell it for her and collect your money and go to your house.
Community development project was done by students of Women in IT Bootcamp, sponsored by GirlLEAD Project. And we were here to talk about bridging the gap, gender gap, and ICT to students from JS1 to SS3. And feedback to me is what you can use to grade whatever thing you're doing. And the students perceived it quite well, very impressed, and I'm happy.
I'm very excited to be a part of this program. It has really been mind-blowing and really eye-opening to the opportunities and the skills in the tech industry. Thank you so much to GirlLEAD Nigeria. Thank you so much to the US Consulate in Lagos for sponsoring this program. We are really grateful. Women in Tech Bootcamp in Uyo are saying thank you very much. Thank you.